Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at 2021 AMC 10B's number 21. So a square piece of paper has side length 1 and vertices A, B, C, D in that order. As shown in the figure, the paper is folded so that vertex C meets edge line AD at point C prime and edge AB at point E. Suppose that C prime D equals 1/3. What is the perimeter of triangle AEC prime? So again, we're looking for the perimeter of AEC prime. This is what we're solving for. Again, each side has length 1, and C prime D equals 1/3. Okay, let's get into it. Let's call this point F, and let's just call this X, we'll call this 1 minus X, we'll call this Y. Yeah, okay. So first thing we have to notice is that triangle AC prime E is actually similar to C prime DF. And to show why, this is a right angle, this is a right angle. Let's just have this angle equal A, so DF C prime equals A, then DC prime F would equal 90 minus A. Therefore, A C prime E, that would be 180 minus 90, minus 90 minus A, which is actually A, and so angle AEC prime would equal 90 minus A. So because these angles are all equal, this makes these two triangles similar, and we're gonna use that. So that would equal DF over C prime D, so X over 1/3, that would equal AC prime, which is 2/3 over AE. Okay, so XY would equal 2 over 9, Y would equal 2 over 9x. So let me just erase Y, 2 over 9x. Okay, so now we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, and to do that, we can actually find the length of C prime F, which is actually the hypotenuse of C prime DF, this triangle, and so the hypotenuse would equal 1 minus x, because FC is congruent to C prime F, because this is C folded over there, so these two sides are basically the same. So again, C prime F equals 1 minus x. So the Pythagorean theorem, 1/3 plus x squared would equal the quantity of 1 minus x squared. So 1 over 9, x squared plus 1 over 9 would equal 1 minus x squared, which is x squared minus 2x plus 1. So negative 2x would equal negative 8 over 9, which makes x 8 over 18, in other words, 4 over 9. So now we know what x is. Let me just erase that. 4 over 9. However, we're trying to solve for the perimeter of AEC prime. So here, 2 over 9 times x, that's 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2. So 1/2. Now we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem again to solve for the length of AEC prime, and then eventually add those sides up. So AEC prime, that equals the square root of 2/3 squared plus 1/2 squared, which is the square root of 4 over 9 plus 1 over 4, which is 25 over 36, the square root of 25 over 36, which is 5 over 6. So now we know that EC prime equals 5 over 6, and we can add these three sides together to get the answer, which is the perimeter of triangle AEC prime. So let's just do it over here. 1/2 plus 2/3 plus 5 over 6. Simplifying, that gives us 12 over 6, which is 2. And at the actual competition, that is answer choice A. Thank you.